Aurogra is a reasonable and compelling medication for men who have indications of erectile dysfunction. This medication doesn't cause any extreme secondary effects that might influence you over the long haul. Aurogra is certified by Viagra, and it is an appropriate and viable medication for men who have manifestations of erectile brokenness. Aurogra is FDA-endorsed drug and is sold in numerous nations, including the USA. Aurogra is a precursor of the first medication Viagra. It contains just demonstrated and clinically tried fixings such as sildenafil citrate and a few non-dynamic fixings that assist the pill with rapidly producing results and giving the ideal outcomes. How does the Aurogra work? Aurogra sildenafil citrate is suggested for the sexual issues of erectile brokenness in men. It is utilized for barrenness, which isn't having an erection, erectile brokenness, which is powerlessness to keep an erection. Aurogra adequately treats for issue of weakness. Take Aurogra medicine 45 to an hour earlier. Once taken, do not retake Aurogra 100 mg within 24 hours. Its adequacy keeps going from 4 to 5 hours. What is the use of Aurogra? The tablet is to take orally, and it is encouraged to take on a full stomach to decrease the after effects connected to his pill. On the off chance that assuming the potion is missed, take the following amount before 30 minutes of sex. Don't over-consume the medication to build the erection, and it can cause uncommon unfavorable impacts. There is no need to take this medication every day. Have it just a single time in a day before sex. How to take Aurogra 100 mg. Assuming that you need a dependable encounter, so you can take these tablets 30 to an hour before sexual activity. Aurogra works best on an unfilled stomach, so you don't consume a high-fat feast before a sexual move, since it makes time to get an erection with sexual feeling. You can stay away from this tablet assuming that you have pulse or alpha blockers. Likewise, you are not ready to take pills, assuming you consumed nitrate drugs for respiratory failure or stroke in the past half year. Try not to drink grapefruit juice while taking, since it builds blood levels in your framework. You can feel cerebral pain and flushing while at the same time devouring grapefruit. Try not to take this medication in more significant or modest amounts than suggested. What are the side effects of Aurogra? The side effects of Aurogra 100 mg are headache, dizziness, nausea, stuffy nose, hot flashes, urine problems, muscle pain, insomnia, breathing problem, blurred vision, swelling of the body, change in heart rhythm, sleeping disorder, stomach cramps.